Hi ma'am, today I'll be talking about China in connection with regionalism. China plays very important role in Asia because of its strong economy and active involvement in regional cooperation. As one of the biggest countries in the continent, China's action and policies greatly influence the growth and stability of Asia. Foreign policy. China's foreign policy focuses mainly on promoting peace, development, and mutual respect. The country works to build a good relationship with its neighborhoods through organizations like ASEAN and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. China also uses its Belt and Road Initiative, which connects any Asian countries through trade routes and roads and infrastructure projects. This policy helps improve connection and strengthens partnership across Asia. Economic policy. Economic, economically, economically, China follows a system called socialism with Chinese characteristics, which combines government control with open market strategies. The government continues to push for modernization, digital innovation, and industrial development. China also focuses on increasing exports, promoting new technology, and investing in green energy. Its economic policies aim to maintain growth while improving people's living standard and reducing poverty. This is my conclusion. In conclusion, China's foreign and economic policies show how much it values cooperation